Let's talk about homework now. I got a ton of emails from students after Apex Academy number 1 that they wanted to have a few projects to work on before moving on to the next course. Well, you asked for it and we listened. I've prepared 4 homework assignments for you, each with varying difficulties. All 4 assignments are achievable knowing only what you've learned in this course. I won't say they're easy, because if they were, you really wouldn't be learning much. I highly recommend completing all 4 homework assignments before moving on to the next course. For each assignment, I've added a list of milestones for you to know if your code is working or not. That's right, it doesn't matter how you write your code. As long as all the milestones are met, you've written a working trigger. Worry about optimization later as you progress as a developer. If you get stuck or have any questions, feel free to discuss them in the official course discussion section. At the end, I'll show you how I would write these triggers in test classes, but don't feel bad if your code looks completely different than mine. Your code might even be better than mine. All that matters right now is that your code works. Good luck. Here's your first homework assignment. Pause the video on this screen and finish the milestones before moving on to assignment number 2. Don't feel bad if you need to rewatch portions of this course, even multiple times, to help you finish this assignment. Here's homework assignment number 2. Again, pause the screen here and finish all the milestones before moving on to the next assignment. One challenge you can add to this assignment is to also automatically disqualify leads that have the name David Liu. Here's homework assignment number 3. Pause the screen here and finish all the milestones before moving on to the last assignment. One hint for this, dot notation is your friend. Certain dot notation methods make this assignment a lot easier. Here's your last assignment. Pause the video here and complete all the milestones before moving on. A hint for this one, dot notation, dot notation, dot notation. One final hint, use system.debug often. Be shameless in your usage of this. Thank me later. And when you're done, one of my favorite things to do in coding is to personalize my code and come up with new challenges that extend my triggers to be even more useful. Try coming up with some of your own and executing.